Hey everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today, I will show you how to download the Kakao app, an amazing platform for messaging, chatting, and staying connected with friends and family, especially if you are into Korean apps and culture. Let's dive right in. At first, you have to be on the home screen of your mobile phone. Open your App Store, click on Search, type in Kakao Talk in search bar. You will see the official app pop up with the iconic yellow speech bubble logo. Make sure it says Kakao Corporation as the developer so you know you are downloading the right app. Tap on the get icon and the app will start downloading. This might take a minute or two depending on your internet speed. Once the download is completed, tap open to launch the app. And that's it, you have successfully downloaded Kakao Talk. Now you are ready to chat, share photos and even join fun group conversation. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like and subscribe. Thanks again for watching and I will catch you in the next one.